Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. First of all, you need to add your product on Facebook Marketplace. So for that, click on Marketplace, and after that click on your account, and here is your marketplace account. If you list your product, you can show this product in this your listing option. As you can see, here's added a product, and here's the product is showing now. If you want to create a new listing or add a new product, then all you have to do, just click on this create new listing, and here is total 3 options: item for sale, vehicle for sale, property for sale, or rent. If you want to sell a product, you have to click on this option, item for sale. Then in this section you have to put your product information. So first of all, you have to upload your product photo. To upload photo, simply click on it and choose here the photo you want to upload. And one more thing, here you can upload up to 10 photos. So I'm selecting my photos from here. I'm selecting total 4 photos. Now clicking on open, and here we can see my 4 photo have been uploaded here. If I want to cross any photo of them, then simply need to click here, then the photo will be deleted from here. And if you want to add more photo, as you can see here, you can add up to 10 photos. Then you can click here again, then you can upload photos from here. And now you need to add a title for your product. So I'm adding a title here, like here is iPhone 12 Pro Max, and then you need to put the price here. I'm gonna put in here 200, and click on this category and select your product category from here. This is a mobile, so I'm selecting mobile from here. Here is mobile phones. Then click on this condition option and select the mobile, or select your product condition, and this phone condition is new, so I'm selecting here new. After that, in this description box here, you have to put all of the description about your product. So I'm pasting this mobile description here, as you can see. And one more thing, give all the information, just all the information you have to put in this description box. Now click on this availability, and if you are selling one item, show only one on your listing. If you are selling one item, then select this list as single item, or if you are selling more than one item, show in stock on your listing. If you are selling more than one item, then select this option here, list as in stock. So I want to sell this more than one item, so I'm selecting this option here. And compatible mobile option, this is optional. You can select any of them from here, but I'm skipping this is for now. And watch band material, this is optional, these are optional. And color, here you have to put your color. Suppose you are uploading a mobile, then you have to put the color name of your product. So here is gray color, I'm typing here gray. And this is the most important part. Here you have to add product tags. You can add total 20 tags for your product. So I'm adding iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro Max, If you want to delete any tag from here, simply click this cross icon, then the tag will be deleted. These tags are very important. When someone searches the marketplace by typing these tags, they will find these products, so these tags need to be researched and added. Okay, after that you can add your product SKU number, but it's optional and this SKU number only visible to you. So I'm skipping this right now. It's not mandatory or it's not too much important thing. You can add a location. I'm gonna adding this Washington DC location, and this listing will be hidden from your Facebook friends but visible to other people on Facebook. If you want to visible this product from your friend, you can turn on this option. I don't suggest to on this option. I want your all the friends will see your product, so you can get more reach for your product. Okay, I'm turning on this. Okay, now click on this next, and now click on publish. And in this your listings section, here we can see my new product which I just added right now. And if you want to share this product, you can click here and you can share this list in more places. Share listing, shared on a friend's profile, send in messenger. Also you can copy the link of this product. And if your product is out of stock, then you can click here, mark as out of stock, and click here to mark as pending view listing. From here you can edit the listing, and also you can delete your product from here. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. Thank you.